Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely large panoramic glass roof, full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels and tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And also you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.